Good morning. Today, well, it's not morning for me, it's actually afternoon. I got a slow start. I'm starting my journey out west. Of course, we all know what my end destination is, let's be honest. However, I've been the queen of not taking the same route to or from Ohio in the 11th month straight that I've done this trip. Now, I was under the impression that I've never been here before. Of course, 3 miles out, I realized I actually have. It's just been many years. I don't know how many years to be exact. I'm in Ligonier, Pennsylvania, and I'm at Graham's Antique Mall. Let's go in and see what they got. Well, this is the first thing I see. Blanco. That's a nice one. 58 on that. Little fuzzy Santa Claus. Ooh. Hello, chocolate slag. 45 on that. A lot of really great tinies in the case. I'm really into this Venetian fish. That's fantastic. That's at 68. Little Bakelite Scotty dog. Probably a pencil sharpener. And the little glasses, so neat. A beautiful Victorian beaded purse here. Some really nice antique stuff, which is refreshing. I love this pink. Probably Czechoslovakian. That looks like it could almost be Meissen. No, it's not. Similar look, though. Now we're talking. The purple pulled feather paperweight back there is amazing. That's at 75, and now I'm seeing 20% off. And the cat, what is that, German? Oh, KBC. That is very expensive. It's at 200. Now, I love the metal cloisonne style box. Oh my gosh, that's the one. Look at that faceted Murano. That's amazing. That's at 135. A little close for me to do anything with. The hat pins are fantastic. And the box that it's resting on. Love the graphic on that. Little Fenton custard. Well, it's not little. It's actually the celluloid piece that I was attracted to. It's got a big crack in it, though. $8 on that. And the little Old Howard style salt and pepper, 28, about retail. I like what's happening on this shelf. I see Murano, Micro Mosaic, the cat. Let's see if I can, oh my gosh, look at that giant Murano pendant back there. I'm gonna see if I can scout some prices. That's an 8 one too, the cat face. That's at $30. I don't see a discount sign. I'm into this neckties box. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. That's at 68 Victorian. It's in amazing condition. So that's a fair price on that. And what's this heart-shaped paperweight? That's kind of different. Wow, look at this like picnic basket style purse. That's fantastic. And that jewelry box back there with the rhinestones. This is definitely the window. Check this out. Looks like it says 38 on it too. This acrylic one. It's missing some stones. Oh my gosh, the dolls are amazing. Look at that giant German bisque one, tiny, 29 inches. And this Murano vase, that is gorgeous. That's at 78. There's a really interesting piece back there behind the dresser box. It says Stevens & Williams 235. Next to it, the Victorian basket. Love the shape on that. Ooh, but this Eckholt, I know that's Eckholt. I had it in blue and that color. I wonder how much that's at. Can't see any of the prices. Of course, the Stevens & Williams next to it is fantastic. I think this might be the thing that actually makes me stop being lazy and get a key. So I got the 2 Murano pins from the other case. This Eichholt here was at 98, which is probably about where I'd land that after fees. So I let it go, especially because I had one recently. But I am excited to carry on here. Some really neat jewelry. Look at the little fetish necklace and more amazing hat pins. The Latticino paperweight is beautiful as well. That's at 98, about retail on that as well. I like the looks of this booth. Especially this giant hobnail vase. That's fun. I've never seen it this big. It's like 3 times the size as it usually is. How cool. $25. That seems like a bargain. I love the lighting in this case. It's kind of got like a romantic vibe to it. Look at down here, all the little fun walker toys. Whoa. That's a nice smoothie. $1.95. That's not that bad, actually. Oh, never mind. It's got a pretty gnarly situation here. I'm not sure what's going on there. It looks like a manufacturing defect. Oh, I think I'm going to put that back. The milk glass is at $79. Look at this crazy green one. Oh my gosh. $85 on that. Dude, that's actually sick. That's pretty awesome. I might pick that up. Ooh, look at this slag glass compote. That's gorgeous. Love that seafoam green. That's at $34. This is kind of fun. What is this, Portuguese? No, Italian. The Italian and the Portuguese kind of throws me off sometimes. They're very similar a lot. Oh my God. Oh. $6.25. God, look at the mouth on that. And it is 20%. So come to $500. That's a really spectacular one. I might have to pull that out at the end just because. But look at this little cat figurine. That is very unusual. Made in Japan. No, that's not Japanese, is it? Spain? Not sure, but it's also $4. So that's definitely coming with me. That's really fantastic. And then there's so much happening here. I'm not even a Jim Shore person, and I like this bird. It's also checkerboard. Look at this little Statue of Liberty box. That's so cute. Is this a lampshade? Gosh, that's pretty. I love the Fenton Barber bottles. Those are really pretty. $90 each. And another Ellie Smith here. That one's at $139. That's not bad at all. This is a nice one. I think this is Fenton. Could be mistaken. Again, I'm confused. There's like a line of Fenton that looks like check glass. And then over here, down here, that's a really pretty cranberry coin dot one. That one's at $115 though. Geez, speaking of Fenton, look at this situation. I guess I should start at the beginning, but the Daisy Fern is gorgeous. The Jack in the Pulpit. This looks like a Bohemian. That's really nice. $115 on that. And the little perfume bottle. Ooh, I don't see a signature on that. That might be an import. But here, this situation stands out to me. This looks like Moser. It's been repaired though. Yeah, it's got damage to it. Now this is interesting too, because this actually looks like a Victorian kind of like Lotte style. $22 on that. That's definitely got some age to it. I'm wondering why it's only $22. I'm kind of suspicious by that. For $22, that's quite the bargain. I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. It's gorgeous. And then here, look at this. This snot glass, this porcelain Nippon. Really nice one. $75 on that. I love the shape and the color. Yeah, I'm kind of into this Lotte style though. Oh wow, there's like a whole thing happening in here. The little Millefiore perfume, that's at $68. That's gorgeous. And this, $99. What is that? That looks like something. Oh, whoa, look at that. Look at the Terry Kreider. That is gorgeous. That's at $175. And that almost looks like a Lundberg. Let me see if I can get to the other side of that. That is a Lundberg, and it's at $49, which is a really decent price. I'm wondering if it's signed. A lot of the times those ones aren't signed. I got distracted on the way to get a key. Saw the paperweight situation happening here. It looked kind of epic. That is gorgeous. $58 on that. That looks to be Murano. Some of these are Chinese, but there's some real gems hidden in here. This is different looking. 18 on that one. It's actually this one that really got my attention. That's gorgeous too, Murano. 34. Kind of similar to a lot of things I've had recently though. A lot of really nicely displayed tinies. I love that umbrella pin with the lucite on it. But nothing that's really standing out to me. Although I will say, is that say, oh, I thought it said $8. It says 18. I was going to say that's a bargain. It's like wholesale prices. Now we're talking. Check out those bangles. I love the red polka dot. And it looks like a Sobral in there. I do see some Bakelite necklaces. I'm assuming they look like Bakelite. Those are, I can't really read the price. I think it says 68. Might get a better look in this case. These really fun carved ones look like $18 each. Oh man, look at this perfume bottle. That is gorgeous. $58.50 on that. That's a little close. Probably Venetian. And then the little Murano Angel. Wow, that's a fun little size. 24 on that. That's a really good deal. Ah, I see why it's got broken off at the top of the violin. And then look at this little bottle with the sailor. That is so cute. Can't really read the price on it. I said 28 on that. Well, a nice little first stop there. I got some really unique Italian jewelry, a couple odds and ends, and I'm back on the road. I'm gonna try and hit Irwin before they close. I'll see you guys there.